to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now in today's video I'll be creating this Joker look inspired by this guy right here. Thank you so much for creating that look. It just made it super simple for those who have like black hair like me, because I don't want to change my color to green like. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so the first step is to add moisturizer. Oops, that's a lot. And I use a stippling brush that is flat to spread all over your face. Also, the brand that I'm using is from the brand Obey Your Body that I got from the Netherlands. It's very moisturizing for me and very expensive if you ask me. You could use any moisturizer that works best for your skin type. The second step is that I'll be using a primer by Benefit and a little bit of foundation by Fenty Beauty. I mix them both, and the reason being I use the primer so that the makeup stays longer, and I use foundation to hide some blemishes. You don't have to put a lot of it because you'll be covering with face paint anyway. The third step, I'll be using the James Charles X Morphe palette and also a face paint to start the process. And as you can see, there's a lot of colors from that palette which I really like, and I use this contour brush that has a firm bristles, and I use this black shade and just smear it all over the eyes. And obviously you're gonna do it with the other eye. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to make like a circle motion. And then I'll be using this foundation brush and a white shade to basically face paint all over your face, and make sure you leave a gap between the black shade from eyes. And yeah, I honestly don't know where did that blue shade came from, but anyways, you can just blend it with a white shade. And the fifth step is that I'll be using this flat eyeshadow brush and basically use the red paint to make a huge lip, and also make a precise line using that, because then you can basically make like sharp lines to look like it's like an accident, you know. And obviously you're gonna fill up the lips as well. I forgot to mention to add a lot more of the black paint and overfill it until it reaches your eyebrows, obviously. And also like make a random like teardrop, I guess. I don't know how do we say this, but yeah, just spread it all over. And then I'll be using James Charles X Morphe palette and use this brush. I don't know, maybe it's like highlighter brush, and just to set the red lips. And basically anything that has red, just set it all over the lips, I guess. And then I use another eyeshadow brush to make a very precise line, the sharp, scattered kind of lines. Yeah, just to look realistic. And as you can see, like it's more defined with the Morphe X James Charles palette. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. And then I just like add a little bit of water on my hair. I didn't use like any wax or hair gel, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the look. Alright, you guys, if you really want to add more depth, I recommend you guys use the dark eyeshadow like that. Like I just use the black color right there, and I use this brush, like the one that I use for the black paint, and I just like mirror it all over. And then for more detailing, the one I use for the lipstick one, for the lips, not lipstick, black color, and just, you know, use the sharp edges. And if you really need to, then blend that thing, you do the same. And yeah, so far this is like half Joker look, if you know what I mean. Yeah, that is pretty much simple, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below if you find this really cool or anything. Now remember, like if you wanna add more pigment, you can just use the shadow. I think it's way better than the cream, but the cream is just like to add more and more color, and just like, you know, when you want to set it up to make it matte, you can use the eyeshadow. And yeah, sub to my channel so you get notified every time I make new videos, just like this, maybe a cool makeup look, I don't know. And yeah, I guess I should see you then. Bye.